Guys, I have like really sore muscles, so I was excited when the company sent me this magnesium butter. I am all about using magnesium. I actually take it at night as well as I like to use the cream. You can see what it looks like. So this one is all organic, which is such like a nice feature about it. It has mango, vitamin E, magnesium, essential oils. There's no parabens or synthetic fragrances, so it's all things that I look for when I'm purchasing something that I'm putting on my skin. So it has like a very like a very faint scent to it. It's nothing overpowering or too strong at all. It actually smells like really, really pleasant. Maybe like a little bit of mango. Like it's so, like it doesn't take up too much. It's not like an overpowering scent. It's like super, super light. It has shea butter, which is also really nice, like to moisturize. So, you could read about the benefits of using magnesium. I personally have been using it for a while now. I have different types and I like the way that this one goes on. It feels like hydrating. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't like burn or anything. And it just goes on like really smooth and it just hydrates the skin and it has like a pleasant, like maybe it's like a little bit of the mango. I think that's what you smell in it. Really pretty. So super happy with this. Definitely, read about all the benefits of magnesium. And if you're looking for a magnesium butter, definitely pick this one up.